Namaste and welcome to today's Shri podcast, TSUS Unplugged, on an essential aspect of a child's growth, personality development. Schools are no longer just about academic excellence, they are shaping children into confident, well rounded individuals, ready to take on the challenges of the world. Today, we have with us Miss Kanika, a proud parent whose child has been greatly benefited by our school's unique approach to personality development. Welcome, Ms. Kanika, and thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for having me. It's a pleasure to be here and to share my experience with you.
The pleasure is all ours. Thank you, ma'am. Personality development is such a broad concept. What does it mean to you as a parent? And why do you think it's crucial for children today?
Well, I think in today's time, personality development is extremely important and crucial because it not only involves the basic intelligence of a child, it needs to go beyond the academics. The child needs to be emotionally and mentally intelligent as well. And specifically in today's time, and it's so fast and it's always changing. So the child needs to be updated with all those life skills. So I feel a personality development is more of a holistic approach and a process for a child which is very much required in today's time.
That's right, ma'am. I hope whosoever watches this is able to understand this too.
Thank you.
Now, moving on to the next question. It is about our school's contribution. All right, so my question is, how has TSUS contributed to your child's personality development?
So, well, like I said earlier, that a child needs to be emotionally intelligent and go beyond the academics. Specifically here, TSUS has been phenomenal, and they have provided so many diverse workshops and programs. So my child enrolled in the drama class where his confidence and creativity was boosted, and then he attended this photography class where he was able to focus on the details and give more attention, and he just be there enjoying that whole process. And specifically the school has this education program which helps in improving the oratory skills of my child.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for mentioning the assets of our school. Now, moving on to the next question. What role do you think these programs play in shaping a child's overall personality and his future?
Well, they play a very huge role in shaping a child's personality because it is about experiencing the mental and emotional and physical aspects of a personality. And while the child is growing up, he needs to be instilled with a lot of life skills, which are the communication, confidence, creativity, so that they can become very much well-rounded individuals who are compassionate, full of empathy. So all these programs, I feel they help in developing those aspects and values and habits of a child. And also I feel these programs help in enhancing the basic intelligence and basic life skills of a child.
That's true. I agree completely that the development is not only restricted till books.
Yes.
Of course, the child learns with their daily experiences.
Absolutely.
All right. So my next question to you is, what would you like to say to other parents considering a school that emphasizes personality development? This is an important one.
Yeah. So I feel this could be the best decision you can take for your child. Like, it's a need of the hour right now, a school that goes beyond the academics. So TSUS has all of these beautiful, lovely, interesting programs which help your child in becoming a very well-rounded individual, and basically they're more socially aware and confident in their whole personality. So I would definitely recommend the TSUS Ludhiana for your child, because they not only encourage your child to go beyond the books, but they also help them in growing them up in a very holistic manner.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kanika, for sharing your journey and highlighting the role school plays in developing a child's personality.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
At our school, we are committed to nurturing each child's unique potential. To all our listeners, remember that education is more than just textbooks. It's about creating a foundation for lifelong success. Until next time, Thank you for tuning in. Signing off. Namaste.